Hello traders, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. In this video, I'm going to discuss pound US dollar for the upcoming week starting from Monday 7th August 2023. Tell me everyone, how is it going? I hope you must be doing very well and you must be enjoying your lives. Also, you must be taking good trading decisions and you must be following my analysis. You must be learning something out of it. So in front of me today is the pound dollar daily time frame. Right now I am, and right here if I see the previous plan I have right here is all the way from 1.30144 sell, and then from right here if I zoom in or if I switch to the H4, this pattern, and this pattern if you see I clearly discussed it in my previous videos, and if we count the number of pips, it will be almost around 378 pips of profit. So those of you most probably must be watching me for the first time, let me give you a little bit of recap. I don't want to go into the too much details of it, but in every video this is like I have to do it. This is my strategy A B C D, and I want to display it right here. And similarly for the bearish, this is the situation, and this is the diagram or the pattern looks something like this. So the bullish and right here the bearish ABCD pattern, and right here if you see I just want to show you exactly is that market completed this A, this B, C and D. Now this is a very bigger impulsive wave, but definitely if you practice this particular strategy on the lower time frames, especially if you are not familiar with the ABCD pattern, you can give it a try on the demo accounts, and I'm sure enough you will very easily be understanding it in very less time. So an ABCD pattern, and obviously a very huge impulsive wave that I want to draw your attention to on the daily time frame. I hope you must have understood this, that this is the A to B, then followed by a 61.8% retracement, and after that a very nice drop of around 300 pips. So pound dollar since like this year it's giving very nice profits if you ask me. At the moment I'm 0.35 holding a buy because this pattern was completed right here, and on this candle right here I took this trade, or I think I took it right here. Let me check the dates. So pound US dollar, right here it is, and this is on 2nd of August 2023 I took it. So 4th, yes exactly, I took this trade right here on 2nd August, and went a little bit back down and went back up 92 pips. And in the previous video I clearly mentioned that pound is going to do this thing because I was already watching it and my eyes was on this particular wave. Though if I see my entry was a little bit early, if we see this impulsive wave right here, if you see, let's delete this one, and a little bit early I should say I took it, but according to the ABCD pattern that's okay, 30 pips not a very big deal. Now most of you who, let's say if you are following me for some time now, I in the previous videos this impulsive wave discussed, and then the market went back up, gave a bearish ABCD pattern, and all of you know that if I clearly have mentioned that if it is doing this on a bigger scale, what it's going to do on a lower scale is this thing. and similarly is right here, this is sort of like ABCD pattern, and that's what we have got. So A, B, C and D, and similarly right here A, B, C and D. If you see this one from right here till here, this was Fibonacci was somewhere closer to this zone, and I managed to day trade this and intraday trade this in the form of videos. I shared everything with you. So the pattern is now completed, and let's have a look at it once more. Don't get bored. I want to keep things very simple because it cannot be explained in hurry, right? Because these are all of the technical levels, and this is after all what I have developed in over 8 years of my trading career as a trader, as an analyst. So right here, if you see, very nice pattern. Let me take a quick screenshot for the thumbnail. Okay, so if we see this particular move, I want to delete now everything because that pattern, what it was supposed to give me, it already gave that to me. Now let's see here. And most of you, if you are asking me why there is no stop loss for it, so this is 0.35, and the 0.35 on this much equity of this much equity in my account, 0.35, if it even crashes to the bottom, and if it even retests its this zone all time, like 6 7 8 months worth of lowest point, still it may not cause any harm to my equity account, will still be safe. So that's why I highly recommend everyone, and I highly recommend like everyone to do what, to properly take trades properly. Risk management should be there. So 0.35, let's see, maybe on Monday if I get a chance, I will move this stop till here at least. So then I will have around 124 pips of stop loss for this particular trade, while the TP will be 189 pips. Now here for the upcoming week, definitely there are things which I want to discuss in the on the H4. It may seem as a trend break to most of us right here. Even if I take it from here, you can clearly see we have got a break of trend, then a retest of it. So what it's going to do next, most probably it's going to go back up, and there are several levels which I want to discuss. The first one is obviously this 61.8% retracement on Monday and Tuesday. This is so much possible market is going to do this. And the other one, 61, is right here with me at a price of 1.29430. Now I'm holding a buy position since I'm bullish, and I'm following this whole story all the way from right here. I'm in bits and pieces taking trades, making profits out of it, keep long-term trades as well on other accounts. So this particular zone I want to look at for like no doubt it is showing a very nice bullish wave from right here towards the top, but there are several opportunities that can occur. Let's find the support of it. So support comes near 1.25961, which was in the previous video I clearly discussed it for a buy. So since I already took a buy a bit early, otherwise I was supposed to take it from here and I would be in 153 pips of profit. So I assume you must have also took this much profit, because this is also, if we see 61.8% retracement and an exact bounce, which is now definitely showing me a pullback towards 1.33638 till Thursday. If it occurs, that's good. Till Thursday I can assume, and I'm so sure enough, that at least it will be trying 1.28495 and 1.29430. and obviously this will be 1.29614 will be a breakout point with me. Let me describe it with my pen tool to all of you. We have got a very nice impulsive wave all the way from right here till all the way up there, right? We have got this impulsive wave, and even there are two impulsive wave, but I'm just holding with this one. If you see RSI overbought and oversold and overbought conditions right here. And if you understand my strategy, this is ABCD. So I want to give you one more, and I received some questions about my RSI settings, so I will be showing you that. So once, if I want to assume this as an impulsive wave, I have to look for the RSI. Let's say this is level 80 and this is 20. So if the market do something like this with point A, if it go below 20 and if it start to come back down like this, like this, and when it reaches to 80 or to 80, yes, it should be right here. So then I can say that okay, I have got a completion on the RSI, and I can assume this as an impulsive wave, and same is the situation right here. So no doubt it is showing me bullish. Another concept is I already mentioned that in my strategy, that when I target C to D leg of the move, what I usually do is I try to take my trades in bits and pieces. Some of the trades I take long term, that depends on the account I'm managing at that moment. So this is overall. So similarly from right here till here till 1.29430, I'm going to remain bullish, and right here I may close some of my deals or I definitely will be closing them if I get any reversal sort of candlestick pattern right here, price action I should say. Then I may not be getting this, but I will be trying to focus on a sell. But let's see if I take this sell or not, because things are now moving on higher time frames, and there is a lot of volatility usually in September. Gold set its next year direction, and similarly right here the dollar index also set its next year direction. So to me, I definitely will assume that since we have a bullish market from right here till there, and this bullish market will have its own 61.8% retracement, which comes right here near 1.14550. So now let's see if we get this correction or not. If all the way from 25th September 2022, in 1 year it did this, it completed this impulsive wave. Now for the next year, or maybe from September till the coming March 2024, I can assume that and I can predict it that it will definitely be trying to come back down towards 1.14550. So it means that on the downside there is a lot of opportunity to make profits, and to the top side obviously there are opportunities, but exactly if we compare both of them, I think this will be the perfect one. And even if I became a seller right here on the pound dollar till March, most probably, it depends on the volume in the market. So I want to be focusing on 1.29430. remember, this is a very important level, because any break we get from right here, market is straight going to retest 1.31578. then if a double top, the market will roll over, but there will be then high chances of the break of this structure. And after that, if the market creates this higher high, the plan will be a little bit changed. So specifically for the upcoming week, if I sum up this whole analysis, I should say it should be easily, trying before it closed below 1.25961, which means stop losses levels must be right here, and the market should be following 1.28495, 1.29430. Now I want to switch to the H1, so if I can get any re-entry area so that I can tell you. First of all, the trend was so strong on Friday that we did not get 61.8% retracement, but I was already holding a buy position, so I didn't needed it. So right here till now so far, market on the H1 clearly has got into this previous zone, resistance zone, and one fresh buy opportunity right here will be if market come back down to 61.8% retracement right here. So market will create this double bottom right here, retest of the support, and it will be then continuing back up. So this is for the upcoming week a very ideal opportunity with me, those just like me who are holding buy positions. So I think I will be holding this buy position, and I will try to quickly update you in the community tab. Make sure to turn on your bell notifications so that you get that on time. So most probably I will try to either close it in profit, or I will try to move my stop to break even. But overall, till if I sum up this whole thing once again, 1.28495, 1.29430 are the two levels, and clearly I will be looking for some sell opportunities. I will update you about it. Those who missed this trade can re-enter if the price comes back down. Then there's 171 intraday or daily trade opportunity on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It is possible. Plus there is a fundamental activity for the pound dollar, and that may also fluctuate the prices since like 15 years, like they are keep increasing their interest rates of the pound dollar, I mean to say. So let's see. I will try to update you as more as I can, and this is it my friends. Let's see what it gives us in the future, in the upcoming week. So if you have any questions, any comments, any feedback, please do let me know about that. And yes, one thing I was about to forget was the RSI setting. I get a message. RSI is level 20, level 80, and period 5, and all the other things, period 5 and uh, fixed minimum is 0, and shift is also I guess 0. Yes, 0. So all of these things remain the same, just change the settings of these, and then you will have an RSI reading like this, just like which works with my strategy very nice and very perfectly. So thank you so much for being here with me. I will see you in the next forecast and prediction. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.